It's Sunday, the day before Labor Day. I didn't have to work today, so I figured I'd take the car apart. The only reason why I took this apart is because I went to the guy who painted my car and I complained that he didn't take the bumpers off like I just did and paint this the right way. So he said he would paint it. So I'm helping him out basically by taking it off myself, and I'm gonna give him this one. This is the front one, and I'm gonna give him the back one. But yeah, I'm out here on a Sunday, bored as shit, just doing stuff to my car. I ended up painting these things black too. I guess they're bumper guards that go right here on the bumper thing. I might as well have painted them. They was faded. Painted them with this paint right here. This is what I had in my trunk. This is I guess flat black. I don't know. The cap is flat black, so I guess the paint is too. But yeah, I'm trying to make it look a little bit better than it was. They was really faded. I also painted this too. I got it hanging right here on this tree. I painted that all black. There's no more white strip in there anymore. I just got the back bumper off. Now all I have to do is separate the plastic from the metal, and I'm going to take these off too and paint those too. But this is why I took it off, because that shit looks like shit. It needs to be painted. He should have did this before he painted the car. He should have did that instead of leaving me with this shit. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna take these off too, this part, because as you can see, that shit looks like shit too. I'm gonna take both sides off. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna take it off and drop it off so he can paint it the right way. I just finished putting the car back together temporarily. I'm waiting for the paint to dry. That thing's still drying. The material for my top just came in. I'm gonna open it up and make sure it's the right color. I'm gonna, if anybody wants this material, I want at least $80 for it. It's garnet. I paid $125 for it. It's 5 yards of garnet, vinyl, elk material for a car. But this is the Stay Fast that I've been trying to get for like 5 months. I finally got it. I paid $316 for this, plus shipping was $400 exactly. $399.16 or something like that. I can get it over. Alright, this is the color right here. I can't even get it open, but that's the color. It's Stay Fast Hearts 2808. It's burgundy and black, but that's the color right there. I'm gonna call the guy right now to see if he bullshits, and let's see what he says. Hello? What's up? It's Mike. I got the material.
Oh, okay.
When will you be able? When will you be able to do it?
Okay, you want to bring the car Friday?
Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to do it as soon as possible.
Okay, Friday, Friday 2:30, you call me.
Okay.
Friday 2:30, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, buddy.
Bye.
Okay.
Yeah. So he told me to call him Friday 2:30. Let's see if he bullshits like he did last time. Cause I was really gonna put this on. I didn't really want to, but I was gonna put it on. But I just tried. I said, let me try again before he puts his vinyl on. And I found this material. I found it at the veteran company in California. So that's the people who sell it. It's bullshit because this material, the company that makes this material is right near Worcester. It's like an hour away from me. So I would have went and got it myself, but I guess they don't sell the material out of the warehouse. You got to go through a distributor, which is bullshit because I had to pay $80 something for shipping from California. But yeah, I finally got it. I'm gonna put it close to the car. I already did it. I showed you guys the sample before, but I'm gonna check it out. But I'm happy I finally got this damn material. I'll be even happy when it gets on my car. That's it. I just finished taking all the music out. I took it out because I'm supposed to be bringing it today or tomorrow to get the top done. I think that piece right there is for the front bumper. I gotta bring that back so he can respray, repaint that, and all these parts right here. So that's one in the front, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know. There's a lot of pieces that need to be done. That's all from the front bumpers and the rear bumpers. All those pieces that need to be repainted. Car looks ugly right now, but I need to get those pieces repainted. That's the back bumper. I gotta have the plate in the back window. That thing definitely needs to be repainted. But yeah, see, I took all the bumper fillers out so he could repaint them. He should have took the bumpers off like he told me he was gonna do before he gave me back the car. But I took them all off, make it easier for him, and I just want my parts back as soon as possible so I can put them back on so I don't have to ride like this anymore. Alright, it's the Friday that the guy told me to call him to have the top done. I'm gonna call him right now, right in front of you guys, so you can let's see if he bullshits or not.
Por favor, deje su mensaje.
He's not answering. I'm gonna call him again, but this is the same thing he did last time, and then he told me that he left his phone at work and he didn't have it from Friday to Monday. But I'm gonna call him again in a little bit and see what happens. Alright, it's a little bit later. I'm gonna try to call him back. See if he answers this time. This is straight bullshit, man. I do what he says. I call him when he told me to call him, and he don't answer the phone. Straight bullshit, man. This is the shit that I go through. I'm gonna call him one more time later on. I'm on my way to Pawtucket to drop these bumper fillers off to the painter. Hear his bullshit. Yeah, it's crazy. You tell me the price. He seen the car. He told me the price. Told me how much it was gonna be. I said okay. If he didn't want to do it, he should have just told me he didn't want to do it. But he told me, "Oh, you want coach lights too?" I was like, I wanted to put them, but I didn't order them, so I was like, "Nah, I'm not gonna put them." He said, "Oh, I got some for you. I'll give them to you." I was like, "All right, come on. Why are you gonna try to soup me up, and you're not even trying to do the job?" I called him, I think Wednesday or Thursday, that I showed you guys earlier in the video. It's all recorded. He told me to call him Friday, 2:30. I called him, he didn't answer. And I just called him right now, he didn't answer. I'm going to call him one more time after he gets out of work. I know he gets out at 3. Let's see if he answers, but I need this shit done. I got the material. I just need this done. I'm tired of playing this game, man. Somebody needs to do it. The other guy told me he was quitting the business. What the fuck? He's quitting the business. I lost workers, and I'm going into surgery. Just say you don't want to do it. That's it. Finally getting this thing done. Gonna go with these gold chips. Top is finally getting done. Can't believe it. I'll tell you the story about what I had to do to get this damn top done today. I'll tell it to you when I get in the car or later on, but it's a crazy ass story. This is the color that I got. It looks way better than that garnet, and he's putting it on right now. That's good. I'm gonna tell you guys the funny story about that whole top thing. Finally made it back to the neighborhood. Take a little walk. I was on my way to Pawtucket to bring the pieces that needed to be repainted. And I looked at the time, and I know the top guy gets out of work at 3 o'clock, so I was like, let me go by his job to see if I see him, because he wasn't answering the phone. So as soon as I get off the exit, I see him pulling out of his job. So I started following him. He seen me, and he waved. He said, "Come on, come on." I was calling him when I was following him. He still wasn't answering the phone. So he wasn't trying to do my top today for nothing, but he's doing it. But It's crazy, man. I gotta stalk you to get my damn top done. I even told him about it. He said that he was gonna call me when he got home because he had too many cars in his driveway and he had to make sure they wasn't there. It's always a story. The dude seems cool, man. He talks to me. He gave me free coach lights and everything, but still, why do I gotta fucking stalk you to get my car done? It's crazy. Yeah, but I didn't drop off the pots in Pawtucket. I should have. I should have put the when I left my car with the guy. I should have these mosquitoes out here killing me. I should have took because everything is in the car. All the bumper fillers in the trunk and that one that's in the front seat. I should have grabbed them and brought them to Pawtucket in my girl's car, but I didn't. But yeah, that was crazy, man. I had to follow this guy home. He almost got into an accident and everything, but he's doing it. I'm finally getting that shit done. Hopefully it looks good and comes out the way it's supposed to. But right now, I'm just waiting for him to call me to come pick it up. I know it's not going to be till probably when it starts getting dark or whatever. I'm pretty sure he's not that fast, but just waiting for him to call me so I can go pick it up, and I'll show you guys how it came out. I don't know if it's going to be too dark for me to show you, or it depends on when he calls me to come get it. But I'll show you guys either when I get there to go pick it up, or tomorrow I'll show you guys. But finally getting that shit done. I'm happy. Finally, I don't have to chase nobody around. It's a nice Friday. My day off. The water's calm out here. It's not that hot. Alright. Till then.